Hello everyone, welcome to HobbyKit channel. Those who are new to my channel, let me explain what these episodes meant by. Actually, I am planning a series on which you will be knowing that how NodeMCU acting as Wi-Fi access point, how to create ESP8266 web server, and how to fetch the data from the web server, and how to create a HTML page. So do subscribe to my channel so that you won't miss this series. Episode I am going to explain about ESP8266 web server. First, I will include my Node MCU's header file, that is ESP8266 Wi-Fi.h, and then I will include ESP8266 web server.h and constant character SSID as HobbyKit. This HobbyKit will be generated by the Node MCU, and constant pass. I'm keeping my network as open network, and I will initiate the port number of the server, that is ESP8266 web server 80. Let me explain what is the server 80. It is a port number which is dedicated for HTTP protocol. Likewise, different port numbers are dedicated to different protocols, as 443 for HTTPS, etc. As we are using HTTP protocol, we have used port number 80. And now I will use a string text is equal to welcome to HobbyKit channel. Welcome to HobbyKit. That's it. Welcome to HobbyKit. As soon as I open my web page, the text I will be appeared is welcome to HobbyKit. And then void page 1. That is, in my page 1, I mean the first page in our web server, I will be giving some indications, that is server.send, and the type I want to send the text is a plain text. So text slash plain, and what the text was is the text over the string, that is text. String text will be displayed in our home page. Yeah, here I will begin with 200. 200 is for successful communication. That's it. And then we'll move for a void setup part. In my void setup, I will begin my serial monitor like serial.begin 115200, and then I will begin the serial print, that is serial.println, and then I will begin my Wi-Fi, that is Wi-Fi dot soft AP. So far we have learned about Wi-Fi dot begin, but what is this Wi-Fi soft AP? This soft AP generates the hotspot from the Node MCU. If we use the Wi-Fi dot begin, then our Node MCU will connect to the SSID and password provided. So now it will be creating the hotspot with the SSID and password we are given. And then with a delay of 500, I will be printed the IP address, so that serial.println Wi-Fi dot soft AP IP. That's it. So in my serial monitor, I will be getting the IP address, and then server.on open colon backslash. This forward slash is the home page. The forward slash indicates the home page of our web page. As soon as my server on and the client is requested the home page, then the page 1 will be appeared, and in my page 1 the text welcome to HobbyKit is present. So I will just be, and one more line, I will just begin the server.begin. As the serial.begin begins the serial monitor, the server.begin the server, and in void loop server.client, I am keeping the client in a loop session so that the client can use my server continuously. That's it. Compile and hit the upload button. Yeah, by selecting the proper tool. Port. Yeah, my code is successfully compiled and it's uploading. As I press the reset button in my NodeMCU, the IP address is present in the serial monitor. Now connect your Wi-Fi to the hotspot of HobbyKit, which was created by the NodeMCU, and go for Google Chrome and search the IP address 192.168.4.1. Enter. Yes, the message welcome to HobbyKit was successfully printed. This is our web page we have designed from the NodeMCU. In the second episode, I will be explaining how to create a HTML page for our project and how to fetch the data from the web browser. So do subscribe so that you don't miss the episodes. You subscribe.